Today we've got for you some pumpkin chocolate chip protein cake. Add your coconut flour to the bowl, and you're going to add your baking powder, pumpkin pie spice, salt, add your sweetener, mix it all up. Now add your pumpkin puree and your eggs. Mix again until a smooth consistency forms. Then you're going to want to add your protein powder. Use Macro 1 Nutrition 1 protein. It's the best protein for baking. You add it last and then it makes the consistency a lot easier to mix. Mix it all up, it's smooth. Add your chocolate chips. Fold those in. Add your batter to a prepared loaf pan. Spread it in evenly. Toss that in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Now you make your chocolate ganache. Once the cake is cooked, spread over your chocolate ganache and then place back in the fridge to cool to let the ganache set up. Once it's cooled, cut it into 8 slices. This cake is super dense, moist, delicious. You have delicious fall flavors. Got chocolate chips in there, you got the chocolate topping. Just look at that consistency. This thing only has 150 calories, 165 calories with the chocolate ganache on top. You really can't beat it, guys. Enjoy.